The blade support mounts on the underside of your lawnmower's blade. It is a washer that helps to secure the blade to the engine shaft. It has two lugs that lock into the blade to prevent the blade from slipping out of alignment with the blade adapter. Over time, the blade support can wear out, which could allow the blade to slip on the blade adapter. Replacing the blade support is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by tipping the lawnmower back so I can access the blade. I'll remove the bolt that secures the blade to the mower. With the bolt removed, I can remove the support, the blade, and the adapter. Now I'll install the new blade support. The blade adapter slides onto the motor shaft. I'll need to align the key on the adapter with the keyway on the shaft. To install the blade, I'll align the special cutout on the blade with the key on the blade adapter. To install the blade support, I align the nubs on the support with the holes in the blade. And I'll secure everything with the blade bolt. The blade bolt needs to be tightened to 45 foot-pounds of torque. I'll use the torque wrench to do that. And now you know how to install a new blade support on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.